Hello and welcome back to Synthreo's AI Foundations. This is video 4, How to Write a Strong Prompt. I'm Callan Sapien. I'll be your guide for today, and let's jump right in. At the end of this session, what you'll be able to do is one thing that changes every conversation you have with AI. You'll be able to write a prompt that gives the model a clear destination and steers the result with precise follow-ups instead of starting over from scratch each and every single time. What do I mean by give the model a destination? A strong prompt doesn't just deliver a topic, it names 6 things that can drive the desired output. The first is, what is that outcome? What do you want from the AI at the end of this? Who should the model act as? Should it be a customer success rep or a salesperson? Who is the audience and consumer for this at the end? Who's going to read it? Then it's the format. Will this be an email, a document, a table, a paragraph? Are you going to consume it right within the AI? Next is, are there any constraints to length, tone, things that you don't want to share with a customer or a colleague? And lastly, we look at relevant source material, the document that might be a reference point, any context, data, or searches that you need to do online. So let's make that concrete. If I tell the model to help me with this email, that could be anything. The model will guess and probably deliver me a draft. Conversely, how I can improve that is I can say, you're a support lead. Rewrite this email reply in a calm, professional tone, under 120 words, and end with one clear next step the customer should take. Both will get you an email. They're also going to get you completely different outputs. And here's the part that most people missed. Prompting is iterative. You do not have to get it perfect on the first try. Send the prompt, read the answer, and then tell the model exactly what to change, making it shorter, longer, formal, less formal, or adding reference points. And that's the difference between operating in an AI native way and using these tools to their completeness. One trick that a lot of us do when we are AI native, and if we're struggling to get to a good prompt, is we ask the model to write it for us. What's a good prompt for a customer follow-up email? We'll ask that question and we'll get the prompt. We don't have to remember all of these things. That's something that you can start doing today. So remember, name 6 things every time. Maybe you don't need to do it, but it definitely helps, even on stronger models. Vague in means vague out. Specific in means useful out. And don't start over. Unless you're getting caught in a loop, don't worry about it. Inspect the first answer and steer with precise follow-ups. You don't have to do rework. The loop is the skill. Now, I'm going to turn it over to you. It's your turn. Find one vague prompt that you've actually sent recently. We've all sent them. I've done it too. Rewrite it using the 6 elements: outcome, role, audience, format, constraints, and source, and then send it again and feel the difference. I'd also say, try and see what your AI will tell you is a good prompt to solve what you're looking for as an output from that same chat. Have a great day. Look forward to the next session.